Hello friends, this is Jayant, your technical partner. Today I am back with a new and very interesting topic of Apple Watch. This is definitely gonna be a very interesting thing. Okay, let me show you how you can take care of your heart at your home, because this thing is totally related to your heart, because heart is most essential thing of your body, right? So normally what it happens, normally we don't care of that properly, because we sometimes feels that some less or acute or very mild kind of attack it happens, but we don't understand what it's gonna be. Normally we take some pills that we feel we have some gas related or gastric problems, but that is not the correct thing. But the thing is, it might be an issue of your heart attack, right? So I will show you today by Apple Watch Series 5, because Apple is not maintaining their security at the top level, but Apple Watch also cares about your heart. Okay, so where it comes to health related issues, Apple Watch definitely it's one of the best partner of, or you can say it's a good friend of yours. So I will show you today how you can do all these things by just a fingertips. Okay, let me show you. Let's start the process then. Okay, so I'm holding, this is Apple Watch Series 5. Okay, so this is GPS model. So I'm showing you 1 second, and I have two iPhones. This is iPhone 8, this is mine, and this is one of my best friend, I must say, Shobik Shaha. He is also running his channel Siliguri Toys. You can also subscribe his channel. He is doing fabulous job. Let's come to the point regarding our issue that I'm going to show you now. So this is Apple Watch Series 5. So I am showing you how to get the ECG, that is real-time ECG report, by just clicking some steps on your Apple Watch Series 5. So this is, so there is it is called crown. So whoever the user of Apple Watch, they knows it better. That means this is the key, actually round key we get in normal watch also. So you have to press this button, the crown. Here you get several, these are the applications, built-in applications Apple provides you. All are very productive. So now today, because we have to work on the ECG report, so you can see this is the ECG. Okay, so tap on that. See here, one thing let me show you, because this is related or connected with your iPhone. So this is the device, this is iPhone 11 Pro Max 256 GB gold version. So I'm showing you now. So I have opened the ECG app there, but it is not right now working. 1 second, because you have to hold there for 29 seconds. Okay, let me cancel it first. So I am starting from the beginning. First you have to open your health app on your iPhone. So this is your health app. Fine, correct. So here are some options, like different options you will get there. This is aerial fabrication, that means any heart blockage is there or not, that will also be detected by your Apple Watch. So we normally don't go on to that, because we just check the timing, the steps, the blood pressures, all those things. So now we will give you the ECG report. So again, come back to our ECG. Here see, it will ask for the 29 seconds. You have to hold your any finger onto this Apple Watch crown. Okay, so I am holding this. See, it's, you have to make it very steady. Okay, so see, ECG already on process, it's taking. And this report, the ECG report, will automatically be, okay, see, it might be my hand is not steady, so that's why it's again started from the beginning. Yes. Yes, so this reading is almost done. 29 seconds almost covered. So I can tap it here, done. So now I will check the ECG report here on my health data app on my iPhone. So here under summary, you have to tap on show all health data, right? So I need the ECG report. So that is ECG in abbreviation, it's called electrocardiograms. So it's mentioned ECG. So I took the data by this time it's showing. So I have to tap on this. So this is the latest data I have just got from my Apple Watch. So I have to tap on this. See, this is the exact or real time ECG report of mine. So and this is not the end. You can directly export the data. It's mentioned here, export a PDF file for your doctor. So that means you can share. 1 second, let me show you. So if you tap on that, see, this is the ECG exact. This is 100% correct and genuine report you got from Apple Watch Series 5. So now you can easily share this report with your physician by WhatsApp, by mail, anything. So these are the options. Okay, let me go with WhatsApp. I'm sharing with me. Okay, so I'm just sending it to me. It's done. So this is my phone. See, I received this one. This is my current ECG report. So I received this report for myself, for my data store, but if I want to share with my physician or doctor, I can do that. So I hope you already got what I mean to say by this video, and you can take the benefit by Apple Watch. So Apple Watch is not just a watch, it cares about you, it cares about your heart. That is why Apple works for. So thank you for watching my video.